Hi, good afternoon everyone, and welcome in your computer class. So here I am with one more work for you, right? And as your day is now going to finish with this period, so I wish that you have enjoyed today's study. So let's continue the same enthusiasm for this computer also. Now, as yesterday we have done book exercise of chapter 1, right? Now, as both the chapters are completed but exercise of chapter 2 was remaining, so after doing chapter 1 book exercise, now we are going to do book exercise of chapter 2. So let's begin with that. In chapter 2 you have seen parts of computer. You have seen 4 main parts of computer and some additional parts of computer like printer, speaker and CD. Okay, so on the basis of that parts of computer we are going to solve this book exercise. So let's begin our brain developer section A. Fill in the blanks with the help of hints given below. So first one is there are dash main parts of a computer. So how many main parts of computer? Your hints are given in this box. You have to find out the answer from here and then write it on blank. So there are how many parts? There are 4 parts of computer. So you will write on number 1 4. 4 main parts of a computer. Then after that, question number 2, the standard keyboard has dash keys. The standard keyboard has dash keys. तो standard keyboard में कितनी keys होती हैं? How many keys are there? There are 104. So your answer number 2 will be 104. तो standard keyboard में कितनी keys होती हैं? 104. So you will write number 2 104. Now a mouse has dash buttons on it. Mouse में कितने buttons होते हैं? When you have seen mouse, at that time the mouse were having 2 buttons. A mouse has 2 buttons. Got it? So your answer number 3 will be 2 buttons. Okay, now your question number 4, a dash is used to record our voice into a computer. तो voice record करने के लिए हमने कौन सी device देखी थी? Microphone. Which device is used to record voice? That is microphone. Microphone is used to store device, right? So that is your answer number 4. Microphone. So all 4 clear. Number 1 was 4, number 2 104, number 3 mouse and number 4 microphone. All done. Now let's move to true and false. Write true or false. तो true और false में हम यहाँ से start करेंगे. Number 1, the buttons on a keyboard are called keys. जो keyboard है, on keyboard buttons are there, है ना? keyboard में क्या है? buttons. तो these buttons are known as keys. इन बटन को हम keys कहते हैं. Yes, we call them keys. So this answer is true. Number 1 answer is true. Now number 2, dot matrix is a kind of a printer. जो dot matrix है, it is a kind of printer. Yes, it is a kind of print. See, dot matrix, printer. So dot matrix is a printer. So that's why it is true. So answer 2 is true. Now third, speaker are used to play sound. Speakers are used to play sound. Okay, so let's see this. Speakers, and here it is written speaker allows to listen to music. So that answer also became true. We are looking back to the book as well, so that you can recall the things you have learned while doing the chapter, because it's 1 week when we have completed this chapter, right? So that's why I am showing you picture as well, so that you can remind which part you have studied and what was the work. Okay, so your speaker, this answer number 3 became true. Now the next one, a printer shows the text on the monitor. So printer, can it show the text on the monitor? प्रिंटर मॉनिटर पर कैसे शो करेगा पिक्चर, है ना? अ प्रिंटर शोज द टेक्स्ट ऑन द मॉनिटर. नो, एक्चुअली मॉनिटर शोज द टेक्स्ट, नॉट प्रिंटर शोज. सो दिस आंसर बिकेम false. See this first line. A printer is used to print the text or pictures on paper. It prints on the paper, not it shows the text on monitor, right? So that answer became your false. Now clear to all? So this exercise. So your first answer was true. Your second answer was also true. But your answer number 3 is also true. The last, fourth answer is false. So 3 are true, 1 is false. Done. Now let's move to the next one. That is, match the parts of a computer with their pictures. आपको क्या करना है? Here are the devices are given. Here are also the devices are given, and in center images are given. You have to draw the line to the correct picture. So where is the keyboard? Just find it out. Keyboard is this one. So you will draw the line from keyboard to this picture. Then the second is mouse. So where is your mouse? Very easy. Here is your mouse. So you will draw a line from mouse to mouse. Then the third one is speaker. Speaker is just in front of that. Here speaker, and this is your speaker. So you will draw the line from speaker to this speaker. And at last printer is remaining. So last is printer, and in picture the first one is printer. So you will draw the line from printer to this last. Okay, last option. Now from this side, first is monitor, and here in the picture last is monitor. So you draw monitor from here to this. Then microphone. Where is microphone? This mic, can you see? This is called microphone. So you will draw this line to microphone. And this round shaped disc is CD. Round shaped disc is CD. So this CD will go with this last. And now CPU. You know that where is the CPU? This box. This box is your CPU. So you will line draw back from CPU. Okay. Now it's time to go for the section B, MCQs. So let's do the MCQs now. MCQs are: number 1, tick the right answer. CD stands for compact disc. So your CD number 1 answer will be B, compact disc. Then the printed copy on paper is called, जो printed copy है वो क्या कहलाती है? We have discussed printed copy because it is hard and physical, we can touch it. So this is hard copy. So printed copy on a paper is called hard copy. Okay. And last but not least, a dash helps in playing games and drawing pictures. So who help you to play games and draw picture? That is mouse. So answer number 3 is mouse. Is it clear? These are only 3. CD stands for compact disc. Printed copy is called hard copy. And playing games is called, playing games help done by mouse. Okay, so these are your book exercise that we have done today. So today you can write, you can do only these 2, means this one section A fill-ups, then true and false, and at this MCQs. In MCQs you can write question and direct answer. No need to write these options. Okay. And for match also, if book is available then you do it, or otherwise you just draw the picture and then match it. Okay. So that's all for the day that we have done. Now our question answers are left, that we will do on next class. So stay happy, stay healthy, take care of yourself, listen to your parent, and bye bye from my side. Thank you. Have a nice day.